I received this BEESHOP Ultrasonic retainer cleaner as a gift, and I wanted to do a more in-depth walkthrough of how it works. This is a compact ultrasonic cleaning machine designed for items like retainers, mouthguards, braces, aligners, dentures, and even small jewelry. It uses 45 kilohertz ultrasonic vibrations to clean items by gently loosening buildup through water movement rather than scrubbing. The size is one of the first things I noticed. It's small and compact, so it doesn't take up much space on the bathroom counter or shelf. The design is clean and modern, and the lid opens easily while still feeling secure when it's closed. The tank has a 200 millimeter capacity, which is plenty of room for retainers, aligners, or small dental items. You just add water, place the item inside, close the lid, and select a cleaning mode. It's very straightforward to use. One thing I really like is that the cleaning process is hands-free. Instead of manually brushing or rinsing items, you just let the machine do the work. You can actually see the water moving while it's running, which helps show that the ultrasonic action is happening. It's also very quiet while running. You can easily leave it on the counter while it cleans without it being disruptive or loud. This machine isn't just limited to dental items either. It also works well for cleaning small jewelry like rings or earrings, which makes it a nice multi-purpose device instead of using something that only does one job. The cleaner feels well made and sturdy, the button responds well, and the lid seals properly, and the base feels stable on the counter while it's running. Another thing I appreciate is how quick each cleaning cycle is. You don't have to wait a long time, and once a cycle finishes it, you just remove your item, rinse it if needed, and you're done. It fits easily into a daily routine without feeling like an extra chore. Because it uses ultrasonic vibration with water, there's no harsh scrubbing involved. That makes it a gentle and convenient option for items you want to clean regularly without wear from brushing. Overall, this BEESHOP ultrasonic cleaner feels thoughtfully designed, easy to use, and versatile. It's compact, simple, and works for multiple items beyond just retainers and mouthguards. Since receiving it as a gift, it's been a really convenient addition to the bathroom. If you're looking for an easy, hands-free way to clean small personal items, this ultrasonic cleaner is definitely worth checking out.